So yesterday I harvested these carrots out of our upper garden during a live garden chat on the ranches page, and they're so huge, humongous, that I didn't want to feed them out without cutting them into smaller pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and chop these up, and then I thought we could go feed some of my friends some fresh produce from the garden. Pretty good? Yeah. It's really good. I think they're going to like this snacky. And of course, we don't want to forget the greens, the tops. They are beautiful, and all of our residents love those. Ready? Let's go. Good morning, Pumpkin. Do you want a snacky treat? Oh. Hi, sir. Do you want some carrot? Oh, it's good. Is that delicious, Echo? Would you like another one? Oh, boy. Hi, sir. Are you coming in for a snack treat, too?